check out our room. Where is it? 707. Hello? Wow. I'm loving that shower. There I am. This is the King Suite. King Suite. At the Encore. Mirrors. Oh, yeah, I thought that was glass in there.
Glass behind there, but desk and office little area here.
Our view. Oh, let's see. Encore Garth. That's what I want to see. Privacy, drapes, shears, bedroom, night. Oh, that's light. Okay.
I do this. I turn off the lights. I got this one here.
Do the shades.
There's a sheer one just to knock down some of the
Oh, I like that.
And then you can do the big one.
Oh, leave the black ones. No, leave the black ones there.
You can't sleep like that.
Yes, you can. Wonder what Tommy's room looks like.
Yeah, how it fades out.
Hmm.